Hi, 3-2. I'm really excited to start our first lesson of the new year together. What you see in front of you is Flipgrid. We are going to use Flipgrid a lot this year, and hopefully you're thinking to yourself, well, that's good because we used Flipgrid in grade 2 as well. If you notice, the lesson that you have to do, step 1 says click the link. When you click the link, this is what opens. And then you are going to see that what we're doing today is creating a Flipgrid all about you. I want to know, who are you? Maybe you choose to share your age, how old you are. Maybe you choose to tell us about your gender, if you're boy or girl. Maybe you tell us about your favorite sport. Or hopefully you already have lots more ideas of things you can share to tell us all about you. Now, step 1 was follow the link. Done. Step 2 says think about what you might tell us. So here are my ideas, but I'm hoping that you have better ideas than mine. Mine are a little bit boring. Feel free to be super creative. Hopefully, at least 3 details about who you are. Step 3 says make your video and make sure to use a strong voice. So when you open Flipgrid, down here, you will click on this plus sign and it says record a response. So you're going to click on it to record your video. Let's check out what the next step is. The next step says watch the videos of 3 friends or classmates. So hopefully there will be more videos in this space where you can watch your friends' videos. The last step is to make a video comment. So after you've clicked on a friend, press play.
Hi 3-2, I am so excited to start the new year. Welcome to grade 3. I am so excited. I hope I get to meet all of you very soon.
Let's pretend you watch the whole video of your friend teaching us about themselves. Then what you're going to do is click this bubble. It says reply. What I want you to do is make a video that says hello to your friend so they know that people watched and learned all about them. You can see I'm ready to record a video call. And then now you don't need to worry about getting too creative with these filters, text, stickers, drawing, board, or photo stickers. Not yet. Let's save some of the fun for a little bit later. Today you're just going to click the record button and say hello. Say hi to Miss Hennessy or hi to your other friends. That is your job for today. Make a Flipgrid. Think about who you are. Watch 3 videos of your friends and then make a video comment saying hello to them. I can't wait to watch all of your videos and make sure to check back in because I will be saying hello to each and every one of you. Have fun!